Welcome to the Travel Man channel. Today we're camping in the beautiful countryside of Bodmin, Cornwall. We've set up camp at a peaceful local campsite, surrounded by green fields and the sounds of nature all around. The campfire is glowing, the barbecue sizzling, and the air feels fresh and calm, the perfect start to a countryside escape. We'll spend the day exploring nearby farms, wandering through open fields, and enjoying the slow rhythm of rural life. From above, the drone captures breathtaking aerial views of Bodmin's rolling hills, forests, and wide open landscapes. Let's begin this Cornish camping adventure.
There's something special about the quiet of a Cornish evening, sitting around a campfire in Bodmin as the day slowly fades away. The warmth of the flames flickers against the tents, the air carrying that smoky, woody scent that instantly slows down time. Laughter echoes through the campsite, stories flow as naturally as the fire's rhythm, and every glowing ember feels like a heartbeat of the wild countryside. These are the moments where camping becomes more than a trip, it becomes therapy for the soul. No screens, no city noise, just nature, friends, and the comforting crackle of the campfire. As the night deepened, we prepared our marinated lamb barbecue, seasoned with simple Cornish herbs and a touch of lemon. The sound of it sizzling on the grill filled the air, blending perfectly with the calm music of nature around us. The smell was irresistible, smoky, rich, and mouth-watering. Friends gathered closer, plates in hand, joking and chatting as we flipped the pieces over the glowing coals. It wasn't just food, it was an experience, slow, shared, and deeply satisfying. The stars above seemed to nod along as we enjoyed every bite. By morning, the fire had quieted, leaving behind a bed of warm embers, perfect for one last meal. We used the remaining wooden coals to cook up a simple breakfast, eggs, bread, and a few leftovers from the night before. The mix of the smoky aroma and the cool morning air made it taste even better. There was a stillness, the kind you only get when the world hasn't fully woken up yet. That's the beauty of camping in Bodmin, the rhythm of fire, food, and friendship blending into moments that stay with you long after you pack up the tent. The next morning, the sun rose gently over the open green fields of Bodmin, painting the landscape in gold. The dew sparkled on the grass, and the air felt crisp, carrying the faint scent of earth and wildflowers. It was one of those moments when nature feels completely untouched, calm, wide, and alive. Before long, we were surrounded, dozens of gentle giants standing quietly around us, their breath visible in the cool morning air. For a moment, time seemed to stop. It wasn't fear or tension, just a strange, peaceful connection between humans and animals sharing the same space. You could hear them breathing, the occasional soft snort, the shuffle of hooves pressing into the damp ground. They watched us, and we watched them, both equally curious, equally calm. It's in these moments that you realize how raw and pure nature really is. No barriers, no rush, just the harmony of life as it's meant to be. Standing there in the middle of those rolling fields, surrounded by the beauty of Bodmin's countryside and the quiet presence of the cows, felt grounding, almost spiritual. It reminded us why we travel, why we camp, and why we seek places like this, to reconnect with the world, to breathe deeply, and to appreciate every simple, natural moment that modern life often makes us forget. After spending the morning among the cows and open fields, it was time to see Bodmin from a new perspective, from above. As the drone lifted slowly into the sky, the scene below began to transform. What had felt wide and open from the ground now stretched endlessly, a patchwork of green meadows, winding lanes, and scattered farmhouses glowing in the sunlight. The Cornish countryside revealed its natural design, peaceful, balanced, and full of life. From high above, the campsite came into view, tiny tents dotted between trees, the faint smoke from last night's campfire still curling into the morning air. The friends who had shared stories and laughter around the fire now appeared as small figures walking across the field, waving up at the drone. It was a beautiful reminder of how small we are against the vastness of nature, yet how connected we feel when we're part of it. And that brings our Bodmin camping adventure to an end, from cozy campfires and sizzling barbecues to peaceful mornings among the fields and those stunning aerial views above Cornwall's countryside. Thank you for watching and being part of this journey. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Travel Man, your home for real travel moments and outdoor adventures. Keep exploring, keep wandering, and I'll see you in the next one.